Welcome to Green Fish Titan. Today, we're diving into the thrilling adventure of giant king mackerel fishing. Known for their speed and agility, these magnificent fish are a prized catch along the U.S. coastlines. King mackerel, with their slender bodies shimmering in pale green or iridescent green-black hues, can grow up to 72 inches in length and weigh as much as 93 pounds. Their sharp, triangular teeth and distinctive forked tails are perfectly designed for their carnivorous diet. These ocean giants boast silvery sides and a white belly, with young ones often displaying faint vertical stripes or spots. One of their standout features is the lateral line that dips in the middle of the first dorsal fin, adding to their streamlined look. In U.S. waters, they typically measure between 24 to 45 inches and weigh between 10 to 20 pounds, but some can far exceed this. Join us as we uncover the secrets and excitement of hunting these remarkable fish. What's your biggest fishing adventure? Share your stories with us, and let's celebrate the thrill of the catch together. To truly understand the habitat of giant king mackerel, it's essential to know where they thrive. King mackerel are found along the Atlantic coast of the United States. Stretching from Massachusetts to the Gulf of Mexico, they are especially abundant off the southeastern coast, including Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and Texas. These fish typically inhabit waters between 40 and 150 feet deep, though they can be found in both shallower and deeper waters depending on the season and prey availability. Natural and artificial reefs create perfect hunting grounds for king mackerel, as shipwrecks and other debris attract the smaller fish they feed on. Offshore oil rigs in the Gulf of Mexico also provide similar habitat benefits, drawing in these predatory giants for an abundant food supply. So how do you catch this fascinating giant? American fishermen often use two popular methods: fishing with a rod and spearfishing. These methods are not only effective, but also provide an exhilarating experience, especially along the Atlantic coast from Massachusetts to the Gulf of Mexico. These areas are hotspots for king mackerel fishing. Due to their favorable natural environments and rich fish populations. Using a sturdy fishing rod, anglers control or cast bait and lures, mimicking the movement of prey to attract king mackerel. For the more adventurous, spearfishing offers a direct and thrilling way to catch these powerful fish, requiring skill and precision. Whether you prefer the challenge of reeling in a giant or the excitement of a spearfishing dive, these techniques ensure a rewarding encounter with one of the ocean's most sought-after predators. To maximize your chances of catching a giant king mackerel, it's essential to use the right gear. Use a rod that is specialized for big fish with high durability and good load capacity, usually a long and sturdy rod. Pair this with a braided line and a fluorocarbon or monofilament leader to handle the mackerel's sharp teeth and strong currents. A conventional reel with good line capacity and a strong drag system is also crucial. Selecting the right bait is crucial when using the pole fishing method for giant king mackerel. Reel bait and artificial lures are both effective options. Reel bait, such as small fish like herring or small mackerel, and small pieces of cut squid, can be attached to the hook to create an irresistible scent trail in the water. Hard plastic lures, available in various colors and sizes, often come with sharp hooks designed to mimic the movement of prey, making them highly attractive to king mackerel. Using these baits can significantly enhance your chances of a successful catch, drawing in these giant predators with enticing visuals and scents. With the bait ready to attract the giant king mackerel, the angler begins casting. Choosing the deep water where these giants live and move is key. King mackerel prefers coastal areas near structures such as reefs, shipwrecks, and piers, as well as deeper offshore waters. Cast your bait or lure near these structures, where king mackerel are likely to hunt. Using a fast, irregular retrieve can mimic the movements of a fleeing bait fish, enticing the giant king mackerel to strike. Patience is key, as it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours to get a bite. When the fish finally does bite, the angler will feel the signal through the rod, as the giant king mackerel can pull the line back with quite a bit of force. Preparing for this moment will increase the chances of successfully landing these magnificent fish. Don't miss the next moments. We will show you the extremely exciting experience of hunting giant king mackerel with spears, where you will directly witness their habitat and the exciting chase. Fun of these amazing creatures. Spear fishing for king mackerel combines skill, patience, and a deep understanding of their behavior. Unlike traditional fishing methods, spearfishing requires the angler to dive into the underwater world, immersing himself in the surroundings to get close enough for a successful strike. This technique not only challenges the fisherman's physical endurance, but also provides insight into the lives of king mackerel in their natural environment. This hands-on method provides a unique and fun way to connect with the ocean and its populations of giant king mackerel, making it an unforgettable adventure for any fisherman. Before embarking on your king mackerel spearfishing adventure, it's crucial to prepare the right equipment. Begin with essential diving gear: a scuba tank, diving mask and snorkel, wetsuit, fins, diving gloves, and diving lights. For the hunting aspect, we'll choose between a spear gun or a powerful spear, designed for offshore hunting. In the United States, pneumatic or belt-powered spear guns are popular choices among spearfishers. Ensuring you have the proper equipment not only enhances your safety, but also increases your chances of a successful and rewarding spearfishing experience. After preparing the equipment and tools to hunt giant king mackerel, fishermen start scouting locations such as coral reefs, shipwrecks, and rocky outcrops where these fish often hide and feed. King mackerel typically travel in schools, so spotting one often means there are more nearby. Once you have a target in sight, aim for vital areas, such as just behind the gills or the spine, to ensure a quick and humane kill. This strategic approach not only increases your chances of a successful catch, but also respects the marine environment by minimizing the fish's suffering. When the journey is over, the fishermen return to the water to continue the initial preservation and processing of their catch. they preserve the king mackerel in clean water or immediately refrigerate it to ensure quality. Initial processing steps, such as cleaning and removing viscera, are performed before transporting the fish to the factory. At the factory, skilled workers process the king mackerel into a variety of products to meet market demand. Popular methods like filleting and canning not only retain the distinctive flavor and texture of the king mackerel, but also ensure that consumers receive top-quality products ready to elevate any culinary experience. Following the initial processing, the usual method is to prepare king mackerel fillets through meticulous steps to ensure optimal quality for the market. First, a knife is used to cut off the head and tail of the fish. Then, a specialized knife is used to cut along the backbone, separating the fish meat into fillets. This process requires a high level of skill to ensure the fillets are even and not crushed. Finally, any remaining bones in the fillets are carefully checked and removed using specialized tools. This attention to detail guarantees that the fillets meet the highest standards of quality and presentation, ready for consumers to enjoy. The final step in the process is a thorough check to ensure the fillets meet the standards of quality, size, and are free of impurities. Once verified, the fish fillets are packed according to the required weight and size. They can be vacuum packed or placed in specialized storage packages to maintain freshness. The packaged products are then placed into cold storage for preservation before being shipped or transported to their destination. This meticulous attention to detail from the sea to the table ensures that consumers receive the finest king mackerel fillets, ready to enhance any meal. Another popular processing method is canning king mackerel, which offers a more advanced and convenient option for home use. First, the mackerel can be blanched or steamed to remove some of the fat, while maintaining the toughness and crispness of the fish meat to enhance the flavor before canning. The fish can be marinated with seasonings such as salt, pepper, fish sauce, or other spices, depending on the production recipe. This method ensures that the mackerel retains its delicious taste and texture, providing a convenient and tasty option for consumers looking to enjoy king mackerel at home. The cans are then cleaned and sterilized to ensure food hygiene and safety. The mackerel is carefully arranged in the cans to prevent breakage, and sauce, cooking oil, or other liquids can be added to preserve and enhance the flavor. The cans are sealed tightly to prevent air from entering, and then placed into an autoclave or sterilizer at high temperature and pressure to kill bacteria, ensuring food safety and prolonging storage time. Finally, the canned mackerel is stored in cold or cool storage to maintain product quality before being released to the market. King mackerel, with its delicious and nutritious meat, has become a valuable ingredient in the culinary industry. The fish meat is white, chewy, and naturally sweet. Not only providing a special flavor, but also containing lots of protein, omega-3, and vitamin D, which are very good for health. In high-end restaurants, King mackerel is often processed into exquisite dishes such as grilled fish with salt and chili, sashimi, or lemon butter sauce, creating wonderful culinary experiences for diners. The richness in processing along with high nutritional value has helped king mackerel affirm its important position in modern cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel, like and comment right below the video about your favorite moments. Hello and see you again soon.